Hi sweethearts, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new then just welcome, and if you like what you see then please subscribe to my channel so that you can be the first to watch the newest videos. This episode is dedicated to the swatch and review of one of my favorite lipsticks, and this is MAC Matte Royal. The color is a beautiful indigo shifting from blue to purple, and let's see how it looks on the lips. The lipstick is described as matte, well, which we can also conclude from the name itself, Matte Royal. Anyway, it is really matte, but not as completely matte as the liquid lipsticks usually are, or as MAC Retro Matte lipsticks are. So it is not transfer proof or smudge proof, but at the same time it lasts pretty well, so if you eat or drink something, of course it will rub off a little bit in the center of your lips and maybe also in the corners, and you will have to reapply it there a tiny bit, but at the same time it permits reapplication easily. It will not go flaky or patchy. It has a pleasant feeling on the lips, which in my case are really dry, and that is why I usually don't like very matte liquid lipsticks. If you're this type of person, I think this one is a perfect matte for you, so it will be matte enough but without drying your lips. Overall, I would describe it as neither hydrating nor drying, and very true to the color. I would definitely recommend this lipstick to anyone who loves wearing bold colors, to anyone who loves purple, to anyone who loves blue, because this color is something in between. And as for the formula, I think it will go really great for the everyday basis. I hope guys the video was useful to you, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye loves!